Oh my God, let's go! Connor McDavid! Autographed 4-color patch. That is a sexy card, man.
Colorado Avalanche, 3-color patch auto, 6 of 8. Hey, check it out. Shane Wright, limited auto material, 17 of 50. Braden Point team logo jumbos, 11 of 15.
Quinton Byfield, let's go! Holy smokes for the Kings, 2 out of 35 draft day marks. Whoa, Bobby Orr, Sig renditions, Tyson Specht.
Hey, check it out. Macklin Celebrini. Macklin Celebrini, limited future watch, 44 of 99.
Ryan O'Reilly, it is a short print, it's going to the Blues, 11 out of 25.
We got marks of distinction, Cutter Gauthier, 25 of 25. We've got on the forefront, 13 of 15, JT Comfort. It is Pierre Dubé, 20 out of 100, future watch auto patch.
We got an auto, it is, holy smokes, that's out of 25. Let's go, 6 out of 25, Detroit Red Wings, 49. And, hey, we got a patch, Wyatt Kalynuk, that's a gold out of 25. 3 out of 25.
It is, hey, check this out of 99. Alex DeBrincat, Clear Cut Pride. Sign of the Times out of 49, Jalen Chatfield. We have Cole Sillinger, 7 of 36, gold auto.
Oh, Dylan Gunther, rookie auto.
Nils Hoglander, 33 of 49. Hey, Matthew Nice, UD Retro Portrait.
Auto, Anze Kopitar, out of 35. Let's go, blue line auto.
53 is, hey, we've got out of 25, the Black Myrade, Krill Kaprizov. We've got, hey, trios jerseys, Thomas Hurdle, Logan Couture, and Alexander Barabanov, 7 of 35. Rookie signature shots, 114 of 149, Jake Sanderson. Ilya Sorokin, limited auto for the Islanders. Wow.
Igor Shesterkin with the non-auto but the patch out of 25. Zach Werenski, Blue Jackets, 2 out of 49. It is, oh my God, it's the Ducks and it's out of 10. Olin Zellweger for your Ducks, 40 out of 50. Nice hit.
Hey, Matt Barzal exclusive, 19 of 35.
Patrice Bergeron, though, for the Bruins, will take it, 12 out of 25. Nice 3-color patch. Oh my God, check it out. Bo Bichette for the Jays. 3 out of 10. Autograph patch, rookie year. 10 out of 10. Bob Musel. Who we got here, everyone? 10 out of 10. Cut auto, 33 home runs in 1925. How about Dylan Carlson? St. Louis Cardinals, colossal patches, 3 out of 25. Andre Dawson, 10 out of 15. Jake Fraley, 57 out of 99. Pittsburgh on the board, 73 out of 99. Bill Mazeroski, Hall of Fame, game-used bat. Ichiro Suzuki, Mariners free random, let's go. Frank Thomas, Jake Myers, rookie. Hey, that's a short print. Check it out for Houston, let's go. 7 out of 35. Holy smokes. Jason Kipnis, that's 10 out of 10. Very sick. Jackson Merrill, rookie for the Padres.